fun quiz for you all. Are you ready? Let's start. In this quiz, I will describe an animal and you have to guess what it is. So listen to each question carefully and type the answer in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out on any of my awesome videos. And let's get started. Question number 1. This animal has a thick coat of fur. It lives in cold places. It likes to eat meat and fish. It can run very fast and has sharp claws. What am I? Can you guess? Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. Okay, now let's see how many of you got this one right. The answer is wolf. Yes, wolves have a thick coat of fur that keeps them warm in cold weather. They are found in various habitats, including forests and deserts. Wolves are carnivorous, which means they like to eat meat. They hunt and eat animals such as deer and wild boar. Wolves are known for their speed and agility. They can run up to 45 miles per hour. Their sharp claws help them catch and hold onto their prey. Question number 2. I have wings but cannot fly. I have feathers but cannot fly. I have a beak but cannot fly. I am bigger than a chicken and smaller than an ostrich. What am I? Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. Alright, now let's see who got this one right. The answer is penguin. Yes, penguins have wings, feathers and a beak, but they cannot fly. They live in the southern hemisphere, mostly in Antarctica. Penguins are flightless birds that have adapted to swimming and diving in the water. They are known for their unique waddle and cannot fly. Their wings have become stiff and are used for swimming underwater. Question number 3. I have 8 legs and 2 body parts. I can spin a web and I like to eat insects. What am I? Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. Okay, now let's see who got this one right. The answer is spider. Yes, spiders have 8 legs and 2 body parts, the cephalothorax and the abdomen. They are known for their ability to spin webs which they use to catch their prey. Spiders are also known for their venomous bite. However, not all spiders are dangerous to humans. Many species of spiders are harmless and play an important role in the ecosystem by controlling populations of insects. Question number 4. I have a shell on my back and I can carry it on my head. I am a reptile that likes to eat bugs and worms. What am I? Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. Okay, now let's see who got this one right. The answer is turtle. Yes, turtles have a protective shell on their back, which they can carry on their head. They are reptiles that are found in both fresh and saltwater habitats. Turtles are known for their longevity, with some species living up to 100 years old. They are also known for their slow movement. Question number 5. I am tall and strong. I have a trunk and 2 tusks. I have big ears and like to eat plants. What am I? Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. Okay, now let's see who got this one right. The answer is elephant. Yes, elephants are tall and strong mammals. They are known for their intelligence and social behavior. Elephants are herbivores, meaning they eat plants. They use their tusks for defense and for digging. Elephants are endangered species due to habitat loss and poaching. Question number 6. I have a long neck and like to eat leaves from tall trees. I am very tall and can be spotted in the grasslands of Africa. What am I? Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. Okay, now let's see who got this one right. The answer is giraffe. Yes, Giraffes have a very long neck and are known for their unique pattern of brown patches on their skin. They are the tallest mammals in the world and are found in Africa. Giraffes are herbivores and their long necks allow them to reach high up into trees to eat leaves that other animals cannot reach. Question number 7. I have scales. I am cold-blooded and I can lay eggs. I am a carnivore and like to live in water. What am I? Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. Okay, now let's see who got this one right. The answer is dinosaur. Yes, dinosaurs were reptiles that lived on Earth millions of years ago. They are known for their large size and some of them had wings and could fly. Unfortunately, all dinosaurs went extinct around 66 million years ago due to a massive asteroid impact. Question number 8. I am a mammal, but I can also swim. I am a carnivore and have flippers instead of legs. I live in the ocean and can blow air. What am I? Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. Okay, now let's see who got this one right. The answer is dolphin. Yes, dolphins are mammals that live in the ocean. They are known for their grace and intelligence. Dolphins are carnivorous and have a beak-like mouth that they use to catch fish. They breathe air through lungs and give birth to live babies. Question number 9. I have stripes and like to eat bananas. I can swing from trees and also like to eat ants. I can chatter my teeth and also have big ears. What am I? Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. Okay, now let's see who got this one right. The answer is monkey. Yes, monkeys are primates that live in trees. They are known for their agility and intelligence. Monkeys are herbivorous, but some species also eat insects and small animals. They are found in tropical regions around the world. Question number 10. I am a pet for many people. I have 4 legs and a tail. I bark and meow and come in different colors and sizes. I can be friendly or fierce. What am I? Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. Okay, now let's see who got this one right. The answer is dog. Yes, dogs are domesticated animals that make great pets. They are loyal and friendly and come in a wide variety of breeds. Dogs are carnivores and need a balanced diet of meat and other nutrients to stay healthy. They are known for their ability to sniff out danger and are often used as guide dogs for the blind. That was the end of our quiz. How many questions did you get right? If you got 8 to 10 correct, you are a super kid. 5 to 7 correct, you are an excellent kid. 3 to 4 correct, you are a smart kid. And 1 or 2 correct, you are a kiddo. Keep watching my videos and you will be a super kid in the next quiz. And thank you for watching till the end. We will be back soon with another fun quiz. Stay tuned. Goodbye.